Hello, my name is Susan Kiru, and today we are going to be talking about knowledge management. So, the first question we need to ask ourselves is what is knowledge management? So, knowledge management is a way of getting information passed from one person to another. It involves structuring, defining, retaining, and sharing knowledge when it comes to any organization, and it's critical in promoting an organization's culture. So, what are the dimensions to follow to implement knowledge management? Knowledge management is a complex process that requires a lot from an organization, and there are 6 key strategies set to help organizations with knowledge management. One of the strategies are a strategy. These are the specific plans to help organizations manage information, data, and knowledge to the benefit of the organization stakeholders. And then we have organizational cultures. It determines the value and beliefs of an organization, which plays a big role when it comes to knowledge management. Another dimension is organizational processes. These are the systems, processes, and environment set for knowledge management. Then we have management and leadership. Any organization requires to employ competent and experienced leadership at all levels. Technology, these are the tools used to support knowledge management. And then the last and final one is politics, which involves organizations' debate on whether to implement knowledge management. Knowledge management tools. So what are knowledge management tools? They are systems that an organization will use or can use to share knowledge or information needed to be shared. Examples of some knowledge management tools are: one, we have a SharePoint, which is a communication tool; Big Data, which is a knowledge search tool; VMware Workstation, which is a virtualization tool. Let's look at virtualization and knowledge management. So virtualization is the process of using software to create an abstraction layer over a computer. It's a simulated environment created versus a physical environment. Virtualization helps with complexity of knowledge management by providing tools that support knowledge management. VMware Workstation is a virtualization tool that helps with knowledge management, as we discussed knowledge management in the previous slide. Let's take a look at VMware Workstation as a knowledge management tool. VMware Workstation was launched in 2001 by a company called VMware Company to allow users to run virtual machines in both Windows and Linux operating systems, and it comes in different versions. It runs multiple operating systems over a single host computer and offers support in bridging existing host networks. So this is an example of a VMware Workstation, and this is version 15.5. Let's look at the advantages of VMware Workstation. One, cost saving. Organizations run multiple operating systems on one computer at the same time, saving an organization from getting unnecessary hardware. Safety and security. It creates a safe environment as each virtual machine is separate from the physical machine. It helps with testing since it handles testing with ease, making it easy for IT professionals. It's easy to set up compared to other applications. What are the disadvantages of VMware Workstation? It's expensive. Purchasing of updated versions can be costly. It's a closed source. It's not easy to find online solutions for features and bug fixes. So one needs to contact the developers themselves to fix it. And then when it comes to vulnerabilities, some versions of VMware Workstations have vulnerabilities that have not been patched or corrected, making them dangerous for an organization to use. So what are some of the opportunities for VMware Workstation? VMware Workstation has an opportunity to be doing consistent updates. Since sometimes most of their hardwares or softwares, they are not fully updated. They also have an opportunity to give us more versions that are free. So more versions of the VMware Workstation tools should be available for free. At the moment, the basic VMware Workstation tool is the only one that is free, but does not offer much to its audience. Thus, a lot of home users do not get the opportunity to use it. So what can we conclude? Knowledge management is essential for an organization's success. Thus, it's critical for organizations to make every effort to equip its employees with tools that will enable the growth of the company by having good strategies and an established culture together with qualified leaders.